Hey everyone, welcome back to The Oily Life. So today I'm going to be sharing my subscribe to save order from Young Living for December. If you're not familiar with subscribe to save, it's basically just like subscribe to save works on Amazon. You have items that you are subscribed to that you receive on a 1, 2, or 3 month basis. If there's a month you don't actually need it, you can go in and skip it just like on Amazon. Unlike Amazon though, with Young Living's subscribe to save program, you earn cash back on your purchases, as well as you're eligible for free gifts with purchase. So it's a really great program. If you are a Young Living customer, I highly suggest you sign up for subscribe to save. Or if you're not a Young Living customer yet, when you do make your first purchase from Young Living, go ahead and sign up for subscribe to save with whatever that item is, and it also unlocks a 24% wholesale discount for you. Alright, so I'm going to start with the supplements that I got this month, as well as there's a couple household products or beauty care products. So the first product is Life 9. This is a probiotic from Young Living. I order this every single month. A probiotic is really important not only for your digestive health, but they found that gut health also affects your mental health as well as your overall wellness, so like your immune support system. So it's a really good idea to take a probiotic. You can always discuss it with your doctor if you have any questions on it, but Young Living's probiotic, in my opinion, is the best one out there. It has 17 billion active cultures in it from 9 different strands. It does a really good job of making it through all of your digestive juices and actually benefiting you by getting those probiotics into your system. The next supplement is sulfurzyme. This is an MSM supplement. MSM is great for your hair, nail, and skin health. I know personally I used to have a lot of hair fallout that whenever I brushed or blow dried my hair, there was hair all over the floor. I barely have any since I've been using this. Another great thing about sulfurzyme is it's good for your joint and bone health. Now, personally, I like to use this to help manage my fibromyalgia pain, along with the golden turmeric, which I'll show you here in a second. For me personally, they've been really beneficial in just helping with my overall general pain as well as my joint pain. And here's the golden turmeric supplement that I was talking about. This one is water soluble. It has a mango rose flavor, so it doesn't taste gross like some of the turmeric supplements out there on the market can. I really like this one. I just dissolve it either in some juice at night or with, I also use a supplement called Natural Calm, which is a magnesium supplement. I'll add it to the same glass that I have that in and mix it up. But turmeric is great for inflammation, so that's why I also take this one and have had a lot of success with that. Now, of course, I am not a doctor. I'm just letting you know with these 2 supplements what has worked for me. Now we're going to move on to some personal care items. The first one is the Thieves mouthwash. Now, this is a great natural mouthwash. It has essential oils in it from the Thieves line, so all the essential oils like clove and cinnamon, lemon, they're in here, as well as peppermint. It also has colloidal silver in it. That kind of takes the place of fluoride. This is fluoride free, so if that's something that concerns you, then this is definitely a great mouthwash to try. Now, I will say with this mouthwash, it is super potent. So I cut it with water, just kind of diluted it when I first started using it, just till I got used to the taste, because it's really strong. It does a great job of, as far as freshening your breath, things like that. But if you're not used to an essential oil-based mouthwash, I would dilute it a little bit at first, and then over time you won't need to do that anymore. It takes a little adjusting to get used to this kind of mouthwash. The next personal care item that I got was the Satin Mint Facial Scrub. I absolutely love this facial scrub. I used to use the one that rhymes with St. Jives. I won't call any companies out, but I used to use that one. Their apricot scrub and it was super harsh on my face. This one does have apricot seed powder in it, but it's really gentle, and then the mint gives a nice tingling, fresh feeling. So I absolutely love this one. I use it on my face 1 to 2 times a week. For me, that's plenty. It keeps, helps keep my face clean and my pores unclogged. So I really like this one, and I would highly recommend trying it. Now we're going to move on to the oils I got this month. Now a couple of these oils I did get in the Black Friday sale, but most of them were for my subscribe to save order. The first one I got was cedarwood. Cedarwood is a very affordable essential oil, and it has a lot of great benefits. It's great for grounding. I use this virtually every night along with lavender and a dream roller to help with my sleep. So it's a great one to mix with lavender. It's not one that I think typically many people diffuse on its own, but it's definitely great in a lot of different blends. You can also take cedarwood and put some on some cotton balls, and it makes an all-natural DIY mothball. That way you're keeping your out-of-season clothing pest-free in a natural way. Now this one was from the Black Friday sale. I don't know if it's currently in stock, but it's the Evergreen Essence. This is a great tree oil, essential oil blend. It has 12 different tree oils in it. It smells just like a Christmas tree, so great for this time of year. I actually got a couple bottles of this one because I was super excited to be able to pick it up. They have reformulated this one just this year. I'm not sure what the previous blend smelled like, but I can assure you this one is pretty awesome. The next oil that I got was lavender. If there is any oil I would say is a must to always have on hand, it is lavender essential oil. It's great for your skin, soothing it if you have like bug bites or if you had any sort of irritation and redness in your face. Lavender is great for that. It can help with minor burns. Awesome for sleep support, great for helping calm you down. It just has so many different uses. It's one you're always going to want to have on hand. Plus, I just love how it smells. If you're only going off what lavender smells like in maybe like a Bath and Body Works product or something like that, then you're missing out. Lavender essential oil in its pure form like this just smells simply amazing. It's light, it's a little floral, it's so calming, great to have on hand. Then I got Northern Lights Black Spruce. This is another favorite of mine. I really like the tree oils. This one is great to mix with orange. It's great to diffuse at night with a little bit of orange. It has a very deep scent, definitely a stronger tree oil, but for me, I really enjoy that, so this is one of my favorites. Next is Stress Away. Stress Away is a great essential oil blend. It's a lighter scent. It has lime in it and some vanilla and some copaiba. It's really good for calming you down and just not being a very heavy scent. I use this one a lot when I'm at work. It helps me get through the day with wearing a mask all day because that's something I have to do when I am at work. So this one's great to either spray on the inside of a mask or just roll it, put a filament on top and just roll it directly on. If you're a fan of the lighter scents, then I think you'll really like Stress Away. So it's also a great one for kids, so highly recommend this one as well. And the last oil I got, well, it's vanilla. Vanilla is not actually an essential oil. It's an oleoresin. Hope I'm saying that right. You cannot extract vanilla in the same way that you do other essential oils. So based on that, it's considered an oleoresin instead of an essential oil. But Young Living does have one of the best vanillas out there. It's not a sticky sweet kind of scent, but it still has those warm rich notes. I really like it. This is a newer oil for Young Living, so if you haven't tried it yet, I would suggest picking it up on your next order. That's everything in my order that I actually paid for. Now I'm going to show you some of the items I got as free gifts with purchase this month. So first is the Winter Nights Foaming Hand Soap. I actually got a 3-pack of this, which was a great free gift with purchase this month. Winter Nights is a blend of things like Northern Lights Black Spruce. There is some, it's either peppermint or spearmint in it, orange, and a couple other tree oils. It's a really great scent, nice for this time of year while we're in the holiday season. Plus, getting 3 of them is pretty awesome because you can get 2 to 3 different bottles out of one container of the foaming hand soap. You just split it into separate containers, either in 2s or 3s, depending on how much you want to stretch it, and then fill the rest with distilled water. I typically don't cut it more than half. Any more than that, and I feel like it's a little too watery for me, but I know many people divide this into thirds and really like it that way. And that is another thing about a lot of Young Living's products as far as the home and personal care products. They're very concentrated, so you can dilute them to stretch them. For instance, 1 bottle of the Thieves Household Cleaner actually makes 28 individual bottles of the cleaner. With the Thieves Laundry Detergent, that's another one that people either cut in half or into thirds, so you get a lot of use out of it that way. Their products are just really strong, so you, even though initially they may seem like they're costing more, with the amount you can stretch them, they end up being a lot cheaper than products you can get from your big box stores. Plus, they're all natural, so you can feel good about using them. They're safe to use around your family and pets. So why not go with this type of cleaner? And they work just as well as their non-natural alternatives, so it's really a win-win. There's no reason not to choose the natural choice when you can get it overall for less, and there's all the benefits of it being a natural product. My next free gift with purchase was pine essential oil. I haven't actually had this oil before, so I'm really excited to try it. It's a tree oil, so I'm pretty positive that I'm gonna love it. You can't really go wrong with a tree oil, in my personal opinion, so I'm excited to give this one a try. And finally, my last free gift with purchase that I received this month was Christmas Spirit. This is a great one for this time of year. Just as the name says, it's a very Christmassy scent. It'll get you in the holiday spirit. I like to mix this one with orange in my diffuser. I think it just gives it an extra just sweet note, and I really enjoy the two together. So if you haven't tried that combination in your diffuser, I would highly recommend it. And that is everything that I received this month. If you're interested in purchasing any of these items, I always have a link down in my description box. I would love to have you as part of my oily community. So if you have any questions or you need help ordering, just reach out to me either through the comments, or my email address is down in the description box as well. I'd love to have you as part of my Young Living family. Also, if you're interested in learning more about essential oils, I have a free essential oil basics course, and the link for that is down in the description box as well. So I hope you enjoyed my little haul today. Hey, take care, and until next time.